friends, welcome to Shaila's Topsy-Turvy recipes. Today I am going to make Desi chicken curry. I have taken chicken over here, 750 grams. First I'll fry the chicken and some potatoes. So in the mustard oil I will fry the chicken. I am putting mustard oil. When the oil turns hot, then I will put the chicken to fry. Friends, to fry the chicken I've put saffron, you can see. I won't put the salt now. I will put the salt afterwards, later when I make the curry. So now the oil is turned hot. Now I will put the chicken to fry. I will let the chicken fry now. Today I am making Desi chicken curry. I hope you all will like it. Friends, you can see the chicken is fried up. Now I'll take them out. Now I will fry the potatoes in the same oil. Friends, the potato also is fried up. Now I will take them out. The chicken and the potatoes are fried up. Now the masalas which I am going to grind, you can see this is jeera, dhania. I will put this in the mixie. This is some garlic over here I have taken. This also I will put in. I have taken 3 dry chilies. This also I will put in here. Friends, now I will fry the onions. I have taken bay leaves. This also I will put in. Now I will let the onions fry. Friends, I have taken tomatoes and some dhania patti. This I am going to make it into a paste now. Friends, put some salt. Put in the masala. Put some saffron, turmeric powder. Friends, I am putting Kashmiri mirch powder. I won't put chili powder because the curry will turn very hot. This is the masala water which I am putting. I will let the masala fry now. The masalas are turned brown. Now I will put in the tomato and dhania patti paste. Friends, now I will put in the chicken and the potatoes. Friends, this Desi chicken will be very tasty to eat. You all should try it once. Now I will add some water. I I will add some chicken masala. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, Desi chicken curry is ready. Thanks for watching my video.